My name is Christine. This is Mudbuds Wheeling. Good morning. We woke up this morning to a ton of rain and cold and rainy and grr. So just making a little bit of breakfast this morning. We have this massive bacon. Look at the size of this bacon. It's like 3 pieces in there. I'm so excited. And it's gonna get cooked over the fire. Pretty excited. That's bacon, eh?
Yeah, that's bacon.
That's like half a pig right there.
Did you get anything? Yes. Like Sean said, that's bacon. It's a half of bacon.
Yeah, that's true.
That's breakfast.
You can finish up the sauce.
So kind of continuing our September long Ruby trip, we are going to Crystal Falls today. It rained and rained and rained this morning and it's continuing to rain on us. So might as well go wheeling and see the waterfalls. So this is the Crystal Falls trail run. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into.
No trouble.
No trouble. Taking a shortcut. Ooh. Good shortcut. Part of the trail was done a few years ago. This part of the trail, however, has not been touched yet.
Whoop. 20-degree pitch. 21. We maxed out at 21 degrees on that little slope.
I think one of the worst parts about Crystal Falls is the parking situation.
The parking here sucks. I'm making a complaint when I go home.
You go ahead. Crystal Falls. Go see the waterfalls.
I found Gandalf's
Staff.
stick.
That's some of the trail. I don't want to film too much and hike because I'll fall to my death like I've done before. That's another way down. I stole a hiking pole from Leslie. I gotta go up there. Alright, I'm turning off my camera now. So the trail is really, really wet.
Not moist.
It's moist. The trail is moist. And big, deep water holes here. And it has continued to rain. But so far, you know, we're just on our way out now. So rain is rain. Oh well. The waterfalls are cool though. We kind of took over the restaurant here in Cadomin at this little, literally the hole in the wall is what it's called. So we kind of took it over. We've also taken over the parking lot. Super nice people. It was really awesome. Pretty good food too. You should check it out sometime. In true Mudbuds fashion, well, crap. You're just looking for attention or what?
No, I think it was Shrek.
You just like felt left out. You're like,
Yeah.
well, if I get a flat, everyone will have to pay attention to me.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Well, we did Crystal Falls, hiked down there, and then we finished the Cardinal Divide Road. Stopped at Cadomin for a really nice lunch in a little restaurant called The Hole in the Wall. Now we're just headed back to camp, so I think that this is the end of the video. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. Trees. And we're gonna see you on the trail next time. Okay, bye.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.